Hello, good afternoon. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Jazz, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Oh, ma'am.
No. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? You've been working in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, right? As I get through to your profiles, why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because I think Malaysia is much safer than the other country.
So Singapore and Hong Kong is not safer.
Now, ma'am, is Malaysia is much better for the future.
Okay,
Uh,
so you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish it. Otherwise, you have a consequences once you breach your contract. You know that, right? And you are aware.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, if there is any unexpected situation might happen to your family, you cannot easily go back home also. You have a 2 years contract and you need to finish that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Danisa Jean Atega. I'm 28 years old. I live in Barangay Bugtong, Calbayog City, Samar.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, single mom,
I'm
married,
a single ma'am.
single mother? When is your birthday?
Yes. July 10, 1995.
What about your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11". My weight is 56.
What about your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Your educational background?
High school graduate.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have only one daughter.
Ages?
6 years old.
6 years old. So you were a single mom who were going to take care of your kid?
In my mother-in-law.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
She is 50 years old and have a sari-sari store, and her husband is a farmer.
Okay, so you have a working experience already being a domestic helper, right? And you work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 3 years. You already know what are the preferences of those employer that they are looking for, right? You need to be multitasking, flexible. I already mentioned it many times already. So, are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Ma'am.
Okay, so you know that why we work abroad, right? Because in our country, we are jobless, correct? And also,
Yes,
we go abroad to sustain our family's needs, right? So as much as possible, we need to think of it. We need to think our families, not ourselves only, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Can you share with me what are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Saudi?
I do all around the work. There are 6 members in the family. Have three-story house. I do cooking, laundry. Sometimes I do work with pet like dog. That man.
Did you take care of any children there?
We have no children. They're already
Grown up.
old.
Okay. What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines? Because we see here that you worked there already for 3 years, right? So what comes up to your mind that you didn't continue working to this employer?
Because the lack of rest, uh, no day off. That's why I came home.
Normally, how many hours you rest in your previous
10 hours
employer?
I do work.
Sorry, sorry.
I do 19 hours in work. before, ma'am.
So you rest only for 5 hours, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you take care elderly while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
What about taking care of children or baby while doing house chores?
Yeah, I do, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you can cook, right? What variety of foods you can prepare?
Any dishes that I can cook.
Any dishes. Okay. So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so are you aware about our rules and regulations in regarding of usage of mobile handphone or regarding about your rest day?
Yes.
As I mentioned a while ago, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, right? You can hold it during nighttime only once you finish your job for the whole day, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on rest day also, you have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, you have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, you can have 2,080 ringgit. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you rest on your rest day, of course, you need also to rest inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, as much as possible, I wanted to clarify it from you because we don't want later, once you reach Malaysia, you will going to complain to us that, Ma'am, I don't know about your rules and regulations. Okay?
Yes. Okay,
If
ma'am.
you don't agree about our rules, it's okay. We don't force people here to come. If you agree about our terms and conditions, rules and regulations of employer, that is okay. We don't have problem later. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We just we just want that you follow the rules and regulations of the employer also inside their premises. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So normally, how do you handle your homesickness knowing that you are working quite far away from your kid?
I do work to not to take any problems. I think for the future of my daughter.
Okay. So you already know, Helen, that we need to be a well-mannered person, right? Once we are working abroad, we need to have a good attitude. We don't need to demand so much to our employer, okay? We are the one who need to adjust ourselves, not the employer. If
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are in the Philippines, of course, we are staying inside our house, we are the boss. But if we work outside the Philippines, then we need to know our position, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Denisa. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, but wait, I would like to let you know if I already mentioned it that you cannot easily go back home if there is any
Yes, ma'am.
unexpected situation, okay?
I know, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Okay, ma'am. Good day.
Okay.